Hey guys, it's Dr. Cratro here. I'm a chiropractor in London, Ontario, Canada. If you live in London, Ontario, Canada, I am recording this during Snowmageddon Day, the day we were supposed to start to reopen everything, and then there is this. The irony is killing me. Today we're going to be talking about helping with concussion symptoms. I'm going to be talking about mechanisms, which is really important. This video is going to be helpful with helping with concussions, and also for those of you who have children or even yourself who have had a concussion, whether it be from a motor vehicle accident or your children are athletes or you're an athlete and you're having trouble figuring out exactly what's going on. There's typically an overlooked avenue that I'm going to be speaking about today. And then I'm going to be showing you some exercises and some other things that you can do. So we understand that a concussion is an injury to the head, trauma to the brain. The part that gets overlooked, and again, I'm here to add something important. I know that a lot of the therapy is brain-based therapy, making sure that, your equilibrium system is rehabilitated, making sure that your brain is given the opportunity to rehabilitate. The part that gets often overlooked is your neck. And this is well documented in the literature. Oftentimes when it's hard to have it's possible, this is really challenging to have a head trauma, like a blow, without getting, the neck involved. And oftentimes when you're an athlete, if it's a concussion due to football or hockey or soccer, the neck is typically involved. There's usually some type of whiplash-like injury, even in car accidents. And there's the structures in the neck that if they get damaged, they can either mimic concussion-like symptoms, or they can be causing or contributing to concussion-like symptoms. So while you're busy rehabilitating your brain and getting all that checked out, make sure that you are also spending time to make sure that your neck is moving properly, that the muscles around your neck are healthy. Now, with chiropractic, that's something that we can at least check to make sure that the structures of your neck are unaffected, that they're moving properly, that it's not affecting your spine or your nerve system. Massage therapy is great for this. Osteopathy is great. There's a whole bunch of professions that are excellent in treating mechanical problems with the neck and structural problems with the neck. So make sure you're doing that. The exercises that I wanted to show you, and again, the challenge with a concussion, because it can alter your balance and your equilibrium, I'm going to show you a basic range of motion exercise. If it's uncomfortable for you to do, or if it makes you dizzy, then I wouldn't do it. I'll show you other ones that you can do. But essentially, basic range of motion it's also a test. It's to help you understand and possibly see where there could be limitations or where your neck possibly could be damaged. So you should be able to, turn your head all the way across. If one side's less, then we typically could see a problem there. Should be able to get to 45 degrees, trying to touch your ear to your shoulder. You should be able to look all the way up, and you should be able to touch your chin to your chest. That's the test. The exercise is really simple, just to get to the area of discomfort and then spend a fraction of a degree trying to go a little bit beyond that and holding that position nice and slow. You're not turning your head too quickly. Same thing with this. Same thing with all these exercises. These are simple, basic range of motion exercises you can be doing in the shower while you're getting ready or at the start of the day. You can do them regardless of whether you have a concussion or not. It's good for your neck to be able to move within proper ranges of motion. Simple strength training is to do the exact same exercise that I just showed you, but hold your head and don't let it turn. So wait. So you want to do the exact same things that I just showed, but you're using your hands to provide resistance, so your head doesn't actually move. You're just contracting the muscles that would be used to move your head in that direction. The other exercise that I'm going to show you is going to involve, I like a lacrosse ball. Sorry, I'm having a real challenge. Today's been quite a day. Everything that could have gone wrong has gone wrong. But you're going to need a wall. You're going to go up against the wall. And what you're going to do is you're going to take this ball, you're going to start just above your hairline. The ball's going to go back there, and you're going to find the knots in the muscles around your spine. And when you find one of those knots or tender points, you're just going to apply a little bit of pressure. Discomfort is good. We don't want things to be too uncomfortable. And then you're just going to, the reason that I'm holding the ball here is that a lacrosse ball will stick. It's made out of rubber, which makes it better for this. Baseballs tend to be slippery. So when I find the spot, like right there, it takes my breath away a little bit. I should be able to speak and have a conversation. And after a couple of deep breaths, the spot is gone. So you can look for those trigger points or tender spots in your neck to clear out would be another. So that's 3 exercises that you can try. In terms of supplementation, you want to give your brain and your body the basic requirements it needs to heal from a concussion, and the supplements that have been shown to help the most. And again, personally, I don't think these supplements are meant to treat or heal concussions. These are just good supplements to take if your body needs them. But the 4 that I like the most are fish oil. Please take a good quality fish oil and make sure that you're getting at least a gram, especially if you have a concussion, at least a gram a day of EPA and DHA, curcumin, which is found in turmeric, coenzyme Q10, and magnesium. And please, if you need recommendations for these supplements, just comment below or send me a message. I'd be more than happy to send you good quality ones that you can typically either pick up here in the office or somewhere throughout the city or wherever you're from. And make sure that you're giving things time. Concussions can be really challenging and frustrating to heal up, so make sure you're taking your time with it. If you have any comments or questions on the video, please post below. Hope you found it helpful. Have a great week, and I'll talk to you soon.